of that night, and I was like, shit, I totally forgot about this, you know. Anyway, I thought it's fun to edit it a little bit and then post it. That's it. I didn't expect anything to go viral. Hey, leave it alone. Anyway, and then she asked me like, I didn't know that guy has a girlfriend, you know. I was like, oh really? How did you find out? Act like I don't know, cause like it's people business, you know, not my business. But she decided to tell that story to me, right? And then she said, yeah, because like after like kiss, couple days later, he posted pictures with kissing with a girl, but she doesn't look like our people. Like she doesn't look like white either, cause she's Brazilian. That's why. So that girl, she's a gym rat, so she got very big quads, very big muscle, no boobs at all. Has a little ass because, like, you know, when it comes to like bodybuilder, they don't really show their big glutes like, you know, girls with the BBL whatever. More like just big muscle, big thigh, big biceps, big. You know what I mean? I can see your tongue a bit. Yeah, that's how I can talk because I have tongue. You look beautiful again. You were sick last time. I am sick still, but yeah, thank you. Better, but like, yeah, last time 5 days ago I was really sick. Even I got fever. My body very weak, but today I feel better because it just my throat, and I have cough, right? It's really annoying, and I have sloppy nose, but it's okay. Yeah, that's it. That's it. The story, I guess. You know, of course, I do not condone cheating, right? If you are, um, indeed in a relationship, like you don't have to, or at least don't do that in front of people that knew you were in a relationship with someone. You know what I mean? It just like, I don't know. But again, you know, like it's not my business. But of course, I feel bad to the girl because if I tell her, the guy would be mad at me because like, oh, you ruined my girls, like what are you, like you trying to be a hero or something, like again, you know, like I don't know, man. You do you, I do me. Heh. Right. Yeah, that's all. Not much. um is someone asking for my OnlyFans? Ow, ow, ow. Yeah, that's it. I don't know. Actually, I feel just confidence without my uh, fake lashes if my makeup look like this. But when I don't have a makeup on, it looks weird. It's like too Asian. I don't like that. Okay? Put you in a weird spot because now you have to not talk about what happened. Exactly. Because like me just wondering. So instead of asking the person itself, I just ask their relative, right? Which is the brother. And I asked him, far from everyone, far from her, far from the brother, like, hey, isn't it your brother in a relationship or what? And then he immediately like, is she asking you about that? I was like, no, 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 just like wondering, you know, cause it did like, when I hang out with them without her because I just met her that night, he showed me like, yeah, like I'm talking to my girlfriend right now, she's from Brazil. So oh hi, I even say hi to her, you know. That's why I thought that night he indeed just broke up with the Brazilian girl that far from him. So it's kind of makes sense that he's mingling right now, you know. but but then she told me that, and I was like, ah, I was right, he was cheating. Like, it's now more hurtful for the girl, the Brazilian girl, because first she didn't know that she got cheated on, and second, at the end, he's still like acting like all this loving boyfriend, blah blah blah, you know. Well, I don't know if she knew or they do like a open relationship. Who knows, you know? Not my not my problem. Each man cheating. You know, maybe yes, but okay, I just wanna say to you guys, Adam Swallow, if you guys do cheating, please be smart about it. I'm not saying you have to be with this girl, that girl. No, just like if you cheating, please make sure you don't get caught. I'm just saying because like men, this is most common mistake men did while they're cheating, right? They got caught at the end of the day, you know. So why? So what's the point? You know what I mean? Then yeah, like maybe stop doing that if you're still gonna get caught after, you know. It's just embarrassing, man. It's like you trying to make a bet, right? You already put the money and then you already like celebrate that you're winning or that you're gonna be win, but then you lose because you celebrated too early, I guess. Something like that, the metaphor. I don't know. Hi, Bad Matty. Especially if they meet it with a girl like you. So you're saying I'm very side chickable. Like I'm an affair. The fuck? I'm not like that, hun. You just wear bikini in your life? Most of the time, yeah, because I live next to the beach. Not really next, but 5 minutes walk to the beach. I tan enough, guys, for this summer. You know, it's already July 5th. It's so fast. Time flies so fast. Hey? Insane. And my followers going up. That's insane. 670,000 views in the last 30 days. That's nice. You guys pervert. I do get the vibe to would be a lot of work as a girlfriend now. Huh? I do get a vibe to would be a lot of work as a girlfriend now. What does that mean? Where are you living? I'm living in a building, small building with my cute little Maltese Poo. Come here. Come here. Guys, I'm sorry I didn't show you guys him today because he looked nasty. Yes, you look nasty. Like, I don't know what have he's been doing, but like last night I had a sleepover in my friend's place, so but the house doesn't mess at all. I try to find something, maybe he like, you know, like he's naked, I don't know, some bitches. Did you sneak in some bitches here? No? Good. I don't know. Hello, I'm in which city? Where are you from?